Well, good afternoon, magandang hapon, and welcome to today's episode of My PI Dream. As you might notice, we are not in the backyard of Villa Feliz right now. We're not even in Batangas anymore. We are at a gala event here in Manila at a place called the Shangri-La, one of the probably the two top hotels here in Manila. We have a big surprise for you tonight. If you think I'm wearing something unusual from what I normally use at Villa Feliz, you are right, and you're going to be pleasantly pleased at today's episode. So let's go ahead and get today's episode started. So without further delay, let's get today's video underway. Now, if you're wondering what we're doing here today, we're invited guests. We're invited guests to a fashion show at the Shangri-La Hotel here in Manila. If you remember, maybe about 2 weeks ago, week and a half, 2 weeks ago, we were invited to our friend Ivan and Manfred's Sawalihaus. They had the big Hadaan festival down there. Yeah, and we did the boat ride and we played the music. We were guest performing artists down there. But anyway, I didn't know, but Ivan is actually related to one of the top fashion designers here in the Philippines. Maybe you'll turn around in a moment. But anyway, that is Renee Salud. Renee Salud is the cousin of Ivan. So we were invited guests by Renee, along with Ivan and his company, to come and be entertained with a fashion show here tonight at the Shangri-La. It's a big, in the US we would call it a black tie event. Here in the Philippines it's called Filipiniana?
Oh, the motif is Filipiniana.
Filipiniana. So that's why you see I'm in a barong and most of the women are in gowns. So this should be a very exciting event tonight. We'll share with you everything that goes on in a fashion show. Now I gotta tell you, I know nothing about fashion. My extent of fashion doesn't go much beyond 5'11" tactical shorts and maybe Oakley t-shirts. That's about as far as I go. But I plan on learning some tonight. I plan on having a good time at this event and moving up in the fashion world. So anyway, let's get today started. As soon as the fashion event starts, we'll continue for today.
posso comprendre tout de même, tout de
mahal kita, isinusigaw man ang lumimot.
Ay nangyari kasabay ang tula.
Ahalhin ko ang kayamanan, nais mong makanta. Sana ako'y mamamatay, kung ikaw ang kahinahang buhay. Ikaw ang mahal ko, tunay na tunay. Ang ating panaginip ko'y tanging ikaw.
Liberation! When Japan occupied Manila in January of 1942, the Filipinos were threatened with death.
Hindi mo ba aking hirap mayang taglay? Lapitan mo ako.
Ang bayan ko'y tanging ikaw. Ang
bayan mo'y babantayan, Pilipinas ko,
Ikaw at ako, tayo ay pinagmapayapan.
Congratulations on your past successes and the success that you had today. This was such an interesting. This is my first fashion show.
Oh, really?
And it was my first, and it's going to be a very memorable one for the rest of my
that
life.
would be nice.
Thanks, and the history behind everything was absolutely wonderful. You did a great job. Thank you so
Thank
very
you
much.
so much. And I hope you could watch my full-length show, my real full-length show.
How do you know that I haven't already?
Don't worry, I'll be I'll be coming up sometime
Okay.
in June, hopefully in New York.
Very good. Well, maybe we can all meet together.
Yes, of course.
Okay,
Of
it's a
course.
date.
It's nice to meet you. And,
Congratulations.
thank you.
Well, time for us to close here at the Shangri-La. We had a great time tonight at this fashion show. We were so honored to be invited by one of the fashion designers here, Renee Salud. And I got to tell you, it was history in the making, history in the past. It was the thing that it being about culture and heritage. It opened my eyes up a lot. I learned a lot here tonight. If all fashion shows were like this, I think I would be going to fashion shows more often. But anyway, like I said, we're going to close from here in the Shangri-La. We have a long trip back to Lipa from Manila here. So anyway, thank you for joining us here tonight for this fashion show in Manila. So I don't know what our next episode is going to be, but I'm sure it will be a good one. So stand by and be ready for the next one that we upload. So if you enjoyed today's video, please give us a thumbs up, please share, and if you have not subscribed, just click on that little My PI Dream Heart at the bottom right hand side of your screen. You'll be subscribed and notified the next time we upload a new video. So until such time, you have a wonderful and blessed time. enjoyed today's episode and you would like to see more just like these, just click on one of the helpful links over to your right and you might be able to pick up on some good information on DIY projects, how to, or if you are interested in moving to the Philippines and building, you'll find answers there as well.